Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the PokeLabel M08F portable thermal printer. This little gadget promises inkless printing on the go, and I was eager to put it to the test. First impressions are good. The M08F is surprisingly compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 1.57 pounds and a slim 1.6 inches thick. It easily fits into a bag or briefcase, making it a true portable solution. The build quality feels solid, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of travel. The biggest selling point is, of course, the inkless thermal printing technology. This eliminates the need for messy ink cartridges, toner, or ribbons. All you need is thermal paper, which is significantly cheaper than traditional ink. PokeLabel claims a cost of only 12 cents per sheet, which could save a lot of money in the long run. Setting up the M08F is straightforward. It connects to Android and iOS devices via Bluetooth. The pairing process within the app is simple. It also supports printing from Mac and Windows computers via a USB-C cable, although a driver download is required for PC users. The built-in 1,200 mAh lithium battery is another plus. A full charge is supposed to provide enough power to print 140 sheets of 8.5-inch by 11-inch US letter paper, or about 20 hours of continuous use. This is great for extended use without needing to find a power outlet. In terms of print quality, the M08F produces monochrome prints. It's ideal for documents, labels, tattoo stencils, and other black and white content. While it won't replace a high-resolution color printer, it's perfect for situations where you need quick, portable printing without the hassle of ink. Overall, the PokeLabel M08F is a compelling option for anyone needing a portable and cost-effective printing solution. Its compact size, inkless technology, and ease of use make it a great tool for business, travel, or home use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.